actually. Let me open up. I haven't opened up this thing in forever. Oh, I can do Twitch and YouTube. That's cool. Copy. Watch this. Maybe it doesn't update when I'm streaming. I'll just... So, I've recovered to a point where I'm almost back to where the corruption happened. So NPCs will now carry items and they will go harvest resources. It's a very big tree, so it takes a while. Almost there. One more. Then he's up. I don't know where to go. Oh, right, and I've also... The thing that corrupted the last one was the new crafting system, which I managed to, I think, recreate. So I fixed the UI, so now it's using the new stuff. Shows all the crafting materials required. All the inventory's up to date. Then... Furnace... has also been updated. I think I'm gonna change it up a bit. Yeah, it's too pushed. Alright, if you're replacing parts... So I'm trying to also get the new dialogue system plugin that I bought to work with this. And, it's not working. I can show what it does. I have this test NPC here. It's from... And the problem is I already have NPCs. It has its own interact system, so it does that, but it doesn't... It keeps me from moving, but it doesn't stop any... like, any of the controls, and then I just can't get out. So I'm talking to the creator of that plugin. If you're replacing parts like your player... Wrap with scale. Wrap with size. Honestly, I think maybe putting the player's inventory up here and the furnace down here. I feel like that'd be better. I'm just not sure how I want these to work. Look, because each workbench is pretty bland. I mean, all it has is just like words and then a slight difference. I wonder if I could do like it hovers. I can hover over a smelting button, then it casts to this, and then like it puts stuff in. Like that would just be purely like a visual thing. It wouldn't do anything because the button itself is the smelting. Oh, hello! Thank you, Forge Revelry, for the raid. I appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. Just working on my game, trying to recover from a corruption that took away a month's worth of progress right before Next Fest, which wasn't good. I am here with my dearest fan. Oh, okay. Appreciate the drop by. What kind of stream are you two coming from? Oh, thank you for the follow, Astrid Viking. Appreciate it. What kind of streams were you just at? Fireball. Just remove that guy. I have to like kill him every time I want to test something. Furnace. Here we go.
Hi, I'm McCain.
See it.
Welcome to my castle.
That looks better. I don't like that there's one empty slot there. We were playing Traveler's Keep, a game that's basically Stardew Valley, but you're running a tavern instead of a farm. So what I'm hearing is you like pixel cozy games, huh? Would you be perhaps interested in trying out the demo of my game, which is available on Steam? Also, so it's like a tavern? That sounds kind of fun. It's called Traveler's Keep. I'll have to check that one out. I had fun playing Stardew Valley with my friends. It's been a while since we've done a world together. So I think these definitely need to be bumped up because they're going outside their bounds. Especially the log. think I actually just need to make their images bigger. So on Steam, it's called PNG RPG. So it's a city builder. It's a 2.5D city builder. So it's still in some rough shape right now. I just mainly have the core features in, like you can make a town, you can spawn citizens, there's a build system. Switching to God mode real quick. Different build styles. I don't Traveler's Keep, but tutorial is rather long and hand-holding, but once you're done with that, it's a grand. Does sound fun. I do like industry games and pixel art games. So this is just the debug world and here the main menu. This is probably like my favorite thing I've done in the main menu. Oh, of course it breaks when I have people watching. Usually these guys walk around. I don't know why they're not walking. The game does feature a... Oh. Okay, so it breaks in editor, but usually this does work. Oh, fly to a new chunk real quick. If I can get some new chunks. There we go. So the game does have infinitely spawned chunks. Been working on it making the world feel more alive, so we have bandit keeps. I made a new ruin, actually. It's right down here. Give it a come next stream. Hey, I appreciate it, and I say this with everyone, like, if you run into any problems, or if there's just like, man, I wish the game had this, feel free to let me know. I am very open to suggestions. And so this is the newest kind of ruin that can spawn. Got a enemy archer who spawns up here. Fireball! Him up. Just kind of like a little basic starting camp and stuff. And then I redid the loot chest, so now it's better. It's kind of hard to like compare showing it, but this is infinitely better than what loot chest used to be. Got some leather, some bread. Oh, I got this. Oh, let me double check to make sure I got this working. So let me go into God mode real quick. Build a builder's hammer. Appreciate the interest. I was really happy when I got this to work. So, buildings can become like decayed or like ruined, but if you get a build hammer, you can go over and pop. Now it's clean. Actually, hit it. Oh no, the wall's damaged. Bap. Fixed. It's kind of satisfying to go to ruins and just kind of like fix them. Currently, it's just free to fix them. I haven't built in a resource checker for repairs yet. That's fun. And like every building does have health, so if you firebomb it enough, ow. I think I'm going too fast. You can actually destroy buildings. Oh, this is something I want to show off. I finally got, I finally got NPCs to follow roads. Because before they would just walk randomly around the towns. I figured out how to make it so they follow roads now. And you can actually just see them briefly there for a moment. Give us a tutorial intro. Look at him go. Oh. Okay, so I do need to update. It looks like they're carried item. Up, and they're all harvesting the same tree. Let's see. Ideally, this is what I want towns to be able to look like. I did make this one in editor. And currently there is no, like, while these things exist, there's no NPC that places buildings automatically. You have to build everything yourself. That's why I aim for it to be just kind of like a more kind of lax, just kind of city builder with some fantasy stuff in it. I do want to add raids at some point. That way your guards will actually have to, you know, guard. And then there's, so that guy over there, he's the adventuring guild. He'll do like quests. And the first quest for the tutorial world is, oh, go down to the mines and kill some monsters. Here, down this ladder. Here. There's actually monsters that you can fight. There's also ores you can mine off the walls. I still think like the blue ow. I still think the blue slimes are like probably my favorite enemies. Yeah, it definitely adds to like the I feel like even though it's like it's very obviously pixel art, being able to look at your body is very fun. And then I did recently add a very broken third-person view. So since the character sprite always looks at the camera, the sprites are layered to look towards the camera, and since now the camera's further back, it doesn't quite work too well. But it's just kind of an idea I'm messing around with, right? It's like I kind of like how like in Skyrim you can go from first person to third person. Like, okay, well let me see what that looks like. This is again very basic. Like it's literally just taking the camera and gripping it backwards. There's also spells in the game, and the spell system works off similar to Helldivers, how you do call-ins. So like, I wanted to do a spectral arrow, hold C. What's that sounding? This game is basically just like a combination of like all the games I like into just one. Oh, I forgot to put my clothes on. Oops. Oh yeah, and the character is customizable. That, change hair. Currently there's only like 2 hair options and 2 eye options, and it's kind of hard to see, but the eyes are different. The hair is just covering the different parts. Yeah, because I love Skyrim, but one of the things that always broke my immersion is that I could always just swap spells instantly. I like having to like do something to get a spell. So every spell you want to use, you have to put in a code. Then there's like 2 types of spells. So there's just the generic ones, but then there's ones labeled abilities, which are ones you can reactivate with the Alt key. So let's see. So now I should have dash, so if I hit Alt, I can now dash. And it costs me mana to do that, and now I can't do it because I just used all my mana. The idea is that you start pretty weak, and then your leveling in this game, I feel, will be mainly how much mana you have. So that way you can do a lot more heavier spells. I think the healing spell is also my favorite, though. Walk into it. Starts healing you. Let's see if I can... There, oh. Is it not playing the animation? It should be like... Oh, I think the animation froze. Normally what's supposed to happen is that the circle slowly disintegrates around you, and when it disappears, that's when you know you're like, you can't, it's done. It's just fun, like I have fun with magic, I like magic. So there's that spell, let's see. I need to go get more mana crystals. Oh, here we go. I don't have a pickaxe. Maybe there's some of the loot chests up here. Yeah, I've been working on this for about 2.5 years. Oh, right, I'm out of... Axe. Eat the bread. Hit! Okay. Oh, I'll take more bread so I can heal. Wait, why did that move? Wait, why am I naked now? Hold on, what's going on? Something wasn't right there. Okay, I think I just found like a glitch. Die. Die. Why is this slime so strong? What is going on? Okay, well, he's just immortal for some reason. Away with you, demon! Shoo! There we go. I must depart because I hunger for pizza. I do hope to catch you around. Hey, I appreciate it, Forge. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for the raid, and I hope to see you again. And again, let me know if you have any feedback when you try the demo. Alright, so something weird happened there. You call him the Ringmaster? What's the lore behind that? Let's see, what's... Right, you. How big are the images on here? Brush. 32 by 32. These feel smaller. Appearance, brush. Oh, 32 by 32. It could be that this one just has more space.
Hi, I'm the king.
Oof.
Welcome to my castle.
Jump scare. Let me check. Hold on. Let me try actually. So let me grab some clothes real quick. See if I can get that same accident to happen. We come from circus? Circus themed streamer, eh? Okay, so opening that messed my entire inventory up. Why? Let me see if that's just an inventory problem. Grab these. Okay, so let's not open a loot chest, let's go over here instead. Okay, so that didn't mess it up. Oh, here we go. Okay, that didn't mess it up. Let me go open a boss chest real quick. Okay, that didn't mess it up. If I open a level 1 chest, okay, so level 1 chests have a problem. For some reason. Dungeon end. Let's see. Target player inventory. Oh, I'm shuffling my own. Why am I shuffling my inventory? That doesn't make any sense. I need to be shuffling this one's inventory. Yoink. I grab these. That should fix it. There we go. Oh, and now it actually shuffles. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, that's what I wanted. I wanted chests to be randomly placed. Woo! Okay, that works. Yay. That just solved 2 problems in 1. Excellent. So, you mentioned, Astrid, you mentioned before you like cozy games, or maybe that was just Forge, but on the topic of cozy games, is there stuff you like about them that you would want to see more in game? I know farming's a big one. This game does have a very basic farming system. Probably seeds out. Here's some. Just a bit more. His beloved ringmaster. I feel like that could also be like the name for like a criminal enterprise. He's the ringmaster. Wow. So growing time is pretty quick. And there's only like wheat. It's like really fun to punch the wheat. Just get a bunch of stuff. Bam, boom, bop, beep, boom, bop, beep. I like what he plays. He has a good pick for new games. Yeah, what's it? Traveler's Keep again? We're gonna go check that out real quick. I am most curious. Store. Is it not on? Is it not on Steam? Is it an itch game? Unless I'm just... Am I spelling it wrong? Travelers. Did not ask? Oh. Yeah, we'll have to go seek the wisdom of the Google. Can my dyslexia please not strike right now? Traveler's Keep game. 100 hours later. Traveler's Rest, is that what he meant? Wait, hold on. I see some inspiration. I need the rat smuggler. A shrine to some random guy. I just like fantasy or medieval pixel art. Yes, he got it wrong, but that's the game. Nice. I want to make my UI cleaner. Mine feels too chunky. I'm not sure what to do with my health and mana specifically. I tried putting them up here, but that looks too far. I'd like to keep them somewhat close. What if I've rearranged this so many times. What if we did like that?
Greetings, Innkeepers. The new chapter of Traveler's Rest is here and brings a brand new challenge.
Now you
When
have to deal with drunken
Klang,
patrons
you
harassing the
finally got-
waitresses. That was a water ninja? I want a water ninja. Ooh,
At the
cool lighting.
Fellowship's attention, hone your skills to confront Cairo, one of its most capable members. This new rival will not make things easy for you. If you wish to succeed, you'll need the help of several masters of their craft to coach you to victory. Curb your fear.
You must add a bathhouse to your inn if you want to succeed. Young grasshopper. Okay, I already kind of like that more. Why is this one up and this one... Font size 20? Kind of like it in the middle. Ooh! That looks way better. Okay, and what if... Okay, why aren't these linked to anything? Health text. One of these? No. Mana. Let me grab those real quick. Mana. Create a link or binding. This. Math. String. And delete that. Divide by max mana. Plug that back into here. It is cool with like nodes when you start to kind of figure it out, and then you just kind of start going, oh, I need to do this and this and this and this. That didn't seem to work though. Like it already says it's being used somewhere, but I don't know where. Where is this getting updated? Show me your mysteries. Oh, it's being updated in the player stats. They should be overwriting that though. There we go. I like that more. Goes disconnected. Back here. converter. And then there. Health. Decrease health. That. All of this. Back here. This. Binding. Health. That, and then connect. Ah, that looks much better. Problem I still have to fix is that I spawn in the air. Been a while since I've done this. Yeah. He's confused. He's trying to attack in every direction. I'd see. Yeah, I like that system. It's much smaller. Shows how much health you can have, how much mana you can have. I like that. Improvements. We're making improvements. Alright. Next. I wanted to get... Actually, I wonder if... This is a cool website I found. It's like a Japanese like sound library. But it just has like a bunch of stuff. Excuse me. Kind of found like a good metal. Boom. Recyclable electric fan. I have a hammer and I have metal. I just make my own. I kind of want to make a kung kung tss kind of sound. Evil talent FX pack. Oh, this guy should really include some examples if he's asking for 50 bucks. He does have blacksmith and hammering. I'll check out this guy's. Oh, chopping and mining. $50 horse riding. Dirt, stone, and water, rivers, waterfalls, and streams. This audio has been in format. Oh. Those are in this pack are ice water. Ooh, okay, with long and short. It does have some new. Okay, why are there multiple? Oh, I already get me stuff from this guy. Yeah, that's the music from what I'm using. What's in the free one? Means 200. Let me check out what's in this. Horror sound effects, 1,000 sounds. Bone-chilling horror sounds. Alright. Alright, that's a good shopping sound. I was hoping for a metal ting. Doors and gates might be good. Fireball. I don't like those impact sounds. They feel really brutal though. I hear some juiciness in there. Having a chest sound would probably actually be pretty good. Sounds. Ah, sounds like my neighbors every morning. This isn't an exaggeration. I was talking to my brother about that. It's like, I'm very tempted to like go next door and leave him a bottle of like WD-40 and be like, hey, just so you know, my head is right there. Like, if you're gonna do it, alright. Or could you just grease the joints a little bit? So glad I can feel a part of this family. Let's see, shit. Interactions, okay. Oh, gross. I have like a default Unreal Engine one in there. Item, consume items. Nope. Don't stop. No. Works. This alt. Q, instance editable. I already use one. Open workstations. I've just never said it. Actually, would some of those specs. go. Was he just doing the 500 thing again? Why is he giving me like 500 of it? Click. Okay. Blank. Move. Crafted quantity. All set to 1. Why is that shooting at 500? Oh. Yep, that explains it. Okay. Crafted amount. Crafted sound. I feel like this should spawn some smoke. If I go here. Let's see. Let me try that. Yeah. I should increase the resource cost. How many? I was thinking like, oh, you can only do 2 materials and then 1 fuel. I mean, I have the means. I might as well make it so that it goes to 5. That way, make it so like gold. To make 1 gold bar, it takes like 5 gold bar. That way, it's harder to get. That's fun. They still have their borders, though, for some reason. Width, 0. Outline, non-existent. thinking I just need to make like a whole furnace UI kind of background. I also need to fix this. Like the furnace is literally one of the first things I ever made in the game, and I've never filled this hole. It's been there this entire time for 2 years. Never fixed it. Works. I think I'm gonna end stream there. Pretty decent progress. Well, thanks everyone for stopping by and appreciate the raid.